Are you looking for an amazing country home in rural Effingham County? We've got one just for you. Hi, I'm Brian Myers with the Myers Agency Modern Real Estate in Effingham. Let's check out 3285 Illinois Highway 128 in Beecher City, Illinois. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home is located at the end of a secluded drive in rural Beecher City. The main level of the home offers a huge living room, expansive kitchen with full kitchen appliance package, large master bedroom and master bath with walk-in shower and jacuzzi tub, and not to mention an extra large laundry and mudroom off the garage. The basement houses an additional 1,568 partially finished square foot with a finished family room, bedroom with full bathroom, and home office. This home is being offered at a price of $244,900. Come take a look today and explore all it has to offer. For more information or to set up a showing, contact Brian Myers at the Myers Agency at 217-663-5885 or selleffinghamcounty@gmail.com.